Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was up a little over 0.8%. Great day. Dow hit another all-time high today. The NASDAQ snapped a four-day losing streak, but there was actually some interesting weakness happening behind the scenes. Last year we saw this giant rise in clean energy and innovative technology and genomics, advanced healthcare and whatnot. And a lot of it was driven by individual investors. If you kind of look at what happened. And so last year, we all got locked down. People got stimulus checks. They opened up Robinhood accounts and they couldn't do sports betting. So the stock market, I guess, was the next best thing. It was great, really, because it really is good to get lots of people involved in the stock market. That helps everybody. But what has happened, so far this year, especially more recently, we've seen kind of the rise of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, and all these different things. And right now, we're starting to see, in my opinion, some pull away from the market. And you can see it specifically in the areas that they were buying last year with the clean energy and innovative technology and whatnot getting sold off. I think they're selling those positions that they had last year and moving into kind of the, cryptocurrency arena. And that's something to watch for because theoretically, cryptocurrencies are a different market, shouldn't have an impact. But if they're pulling money out of the market to buy these pieces, and there's some reasons for this. So there was last year, one of the Kansas City Chiefs football players got his pay in Bitcoin. And it turned out to be one of the highest paid payers in the league because Bitcoin went up so much. Then there was a tight end in Kansas City decided to get his pay just for this year coming up. But on Thursday, right after the draft, Trevor Lawrence is the number one pick, announced that he's going to put his $24 million signing bonus into cryptocurrencies, into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, which is a really wild concept, to be honest. But then Monday, probably based at least partly on that news, Robinhood crashes trying to execute all the cryptocurrency trades. Dogecoin is up, which started as a joke, actually is up 11,000% year to date. And it's really kind of a wild scenario as far as that goes. So it seems to be mainly focused in those areas that were doing really well last year. And that's what they were buying. And so today we made some changes to the portfolio. We bought some materials, ETFs. These are kind of boring things that these guys aren't interested in. But one thing that does happen is when inflation comes and when the economy reopens, materials are in need. You see that with lumber and all these copper, prices going up. So I'm excited about that. But that's one of the adjustments that we'll continue to make in our trust, taxable accounts. We still have some pretty big gains in some of these positions, so we'll continue to try to ride some of those out. I don't want to turn them into losses, obviously. So we're looking at those kind of one at a time. But in the IRA accounts, we're really, making those adjustments as far as that goes and continue to kind of move away from these particular types of holdings that have this exposure to this group. Because I'm telling you, even though the market is doing so well, that area is not. And and it was such a great area last year. And that tells me that this kind of cryptocurrency leak, so to speak, is happening. And there's money kind of going out in that direction. I hope everything works out well for them as far as that goes, because it's a really weird concept, the whole idea of cryptocurrency. But nonetheless, that's what's happening right now. It's just something to keep an eye on. We do have the unemployment report coming out tomorrow. I think that's a really big deal too. Could see a lot of new jobs. Could scare the market a little bit, but ultimately I think that could be a good thing long term. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Look forward to talking to you then. If you get a chance, please join me tomorrow. I'll go live with Tom, come up with some questions, or just watch other people ask questions. Really looking forward to that. Thank you very much.